Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Entering into exam hall, you need to believe different situation need to be solved in different formula. In O level, describing formula, if not required, not very important. Moreover, you need to expose some work. But in case of expecting reason, you have to mention the reason very clearly. Okay, you watching that here 20 degree in exam hall. This is your duty. From the question, first draw the diagram. Over the diagram, from the language, all data need to be converted. Suppose my expected angle is this on, and this on. So this have been drawn here. And only data 55 and 20 degree given. In question, it was written this side and that side equal. So from the language, the phenomena, the subject has been drawn here. So on a same platform diagram, now this is your duty. But it's true that exam has trapped you, has fallen you in a complex situation. But if you get the surrounding solution, suppose the phenomena, the formulas, this is a circle, this is tangent, this is diameter, and that will be 90 degree. So okay, fine. So that will be 90 degree. That is 90 and that is 20. So undoubtedly these one will be, what is the calculation? 90, 20, 110. So that will be 70 degree. So you have got this on 70 degree. So this is one formula. Exactly in exam hall, you should have lot of formula captured. Second phenomena, that this is circle, right? This is circle, and when an angle form at the center, okay, from a base, if any angle formed at center and if any angle formed at circumference, these will be double, that will be single. So as this is 70, so that will be 35. This angle will be 35. So one target has been achieved. Now I am going to the second target. It was given this side and this side equal. So this is a isosceles triangle. Two sides equal, so opposite two angles will be equal. As this is 55, so that will be 55. So second one solved. Okay. The third matter, our third expectation, this angle. This is called circlic quadrilateral. If a four-sided figure will be drawn in a circle, these and these will be 180. So this is 55, so that will be rest of the 180. This is 55. So if you want to get these and this cyclic quadrilateral, because this is a four-sided figure. So 180 minus 55, so that is 25. 180 minus 55, 5, 6, 2, yes. So 60, yes, 25. So that is 25. So in exam hall, if you become crazy for getting the answer, problem started. Moreover, you have to focus on some part. You have to have power of watching at the same time ignoring. Suppose When you want to solve this angle and this angle, all the drawn picture have to be ignored. So catching and without catching. Because the focus, the part you will focus, you need to justify it. Other part need to be ignored. Okay? So exactly in exam hall, in a tough situation, all types of formulas with language or without language need to be perceived, need to be captured. This four-sided figure in circle is opposite angle of quadrilateral is 180. This not to be memorized, moreover need to be materialized in your existence. Whenever and wherever this is being recalled, this is being required, the things need to become instantly. Thank you very much.